Not sure if you guys see this. So this rim's all beat up around the edges. I'm just gonna try to get it rounded as possible. So hopefully we can put a tire on it. So this customer obviously rolled a little bit too long. But luckily, this is a steel rim. And now I'm just going around it. Trying to get it to look like a circle the most that I can. Mostly do this when I have to. I didn't know this was like this when they called. And half the time they don't send you a picture. Customers don't know what to look for. So I don't know if you guys saw what it looked like before. That's what it's looking like now, a little bit more rounded. Usually when they're like this, I don't even bother trying to balance it, because usually it's going to require a lot of weights. So that right there is I think this rim will hold. I'm going to put the theory to the test. Alright, so don't know if you guys saw what it looked like before, but it was pretty bad. Now it looks kind of straight, looks kind of circular. That's what we want. Now we're checking the other side to see if this side was damaged. This side looks all right, but again, see some areas where it can be bent back a little, like right here. And that right there should do it. So if you guys are wondering if this is gonna work or not, I freaking guarantee it. So let's try it. I'm out here by myself today. Sam's Roadside is sleeping. And you know, since I'm the boss, I get to wear whatever I want to work. So I'm in my shorts and tennis shoes here. So yeah, you guys saw that tire was pretty much done for. Any good tire technician will probably tell you time for a new tire, and they're probably not wrong. But when and if the situation arises that you have to do something out of the ordinary, it's kind of cool when it works. Okay on this side. Sometimes seals are really tough to break, but I've done this long enough to know what a hard seal looks like. These are pretty tough on this. Always worry about the valve stem when you do this. You never want to damage the valve stem. Now we get this guy on our machine. Alright. Sling arm will come over. And you just break the rest of the seal on there. Just by pushing down on it a little bit. Bring this down to level. In place. And then there it is. So there we go. Now I'll turn on our generator. We're gonna skip action on this one because of what was already been said. So that's all we do to that. Get it over that little lip. Make sure the valve stem's somewhere in this area, so by the time it finishes, the valve stem or any sensor that may be there won't get damaged. This is the one I didn't break the rest of the bead on, so just gonna set it down right here. See if I can work this bead out. You can always kind of see where it's not broken. Not broken right there. That helped. So right here is where the thing's not broken. There it is. All right, that's done for. And this is our tire. I just got gas, so that's why that's on the floor. Been trying to keep it organized in here to some extent, but yeah, I think you're gonna be all right. You'll be all right if I can get it to seal. I think I'll be all right. All right, so 215, 5517. This is a radial tubeless. Doesn't have an inner or an outer on it, so we're just gonna get some lube in here. This stuff, just a little bit around there, just like that. On the other side, do the same thing. That. So now put our tire on the rim, bring our machine over, about there, outer lip under that, over that, and then push it in. So what we did over here, over that one, under that one, and press our pedal here. That should go real smooth on there. We are trying to do our best here with this rim, but there's no telling. So yellow dot right here, always as close as you can get that to the valve stem. So I just put my fist right there, push down, and the rest of the tire just rolls along with it. Push that down. Kablam! That's pretty much that. Now I'm just hoping that this thing holds air. What do you know, she sure did right off the bat, held there. So I don't think they're gonna have an issue, but I'm also gonna check it here in a little bit, make sure it ain't leaking. And if she is leaking, then oh well, you know, we did as best we could, and this is what they get. That right there is not a good area, but we're gonna see what we can do. Oh, there's the other one. And now let's check pressure here in a second. Let's see how that is. You guys see that? It's just under 30 there. Oh well, you can't see it. But she needs a little more. That right there is probably going to be about 35, 36. We'll see how right I am. Bam, 35. And that's it, guys. Now we're just gonna spray some water on these edges. We're brake cleaner just to check for bubbles. And if we don't see any bubbles, you can even use the tire lube. Actually, no, you can't. Let me go to my brake cleaner like I said I was. I know there's always one on the floor in here. Here somewhere, but I can't find it right now. Waste the blade cleaner? Maybe. But at least we know she's good. You know? Even at that ugly, nasty spot right here, she's good. So we're gonna send it. So go ahead and cut that guy on. I always forget the sticker, but not today. There you go, guys. When in doubt, beat it out with the mallet. Probably gonna go on a little rough, but as long as they go on, no problem. Should have one more. Right here. Check it out. May have some issue with this level here. May just have to get them another one. So we're looking at the inner threads there. They look all jacked up. So we're just gonna dab them another one. Inner thread on this one's all jacked up. Hopefully it's one of these guys. I'm betting on this little one, but yeah, I'm almost guaranteeing it's this guy right here. Clockwork, check it out. That'll be good enough. Let's go ahead and get this thing ready. Right there's no go anymore. they are. New tire, brand new. Now I'm just gonna bill the customer and then I'm out of here.